Hey everybody, my name's Wayne. You're watching Stumper One, and I'm going to show you how to fix your dishwasher, your GE dishwasher, from not draining. What are you going to need? This 1/4" drive. There are 4 screws to remove, just like this, and I've already removed them. I'm going to grab the camera, I'm going to point it in here, I'm going to show you exactly the valve and how to replace it. This is a couple-minute job. Get yourself a little light if you need it. I'm going to grab the camera here quickly. This is the screen that needs to be removed. There'll be 1 screw, 2, 3, and 4 right there. There's number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. Take this screen, lift it up, give it a clean afterwards. Now, the old valve, obviously, that's what we're replacing, fits right into here. Basically screws right in like that. You unscrew it, take it out. You can still see I got water in the dishwasher. Now what's the problem with this? Take a look at the plunger. Here we go. You can see this little area right there. Now take a look at the new one. Take a look at the plunger there. You can see that the old one right in here is definitely worn away. There's the new one. How do we put this back in? This is simple. That's the valve. It's your piston assembly. Drop it right back into here. Just hand tighten. That is it. That is done. I'm going to clean all this out, obviously, get this done. I'm going to show you the part number. There, well, I'll show you the model number first. There's the model number. And then, there, got that? Piston and nut assembly. That's it. If your General Electric GE model number is not draining, here's the problem. That is worn out. That's about a $12 part delivered to your house. Get that changed out. This is a couple-minute job. Clean it up. Good to go. If you have any questions or comments, leave them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing as well. Cheers.